Welcome back to another video. Today I got the story of how I got kicked out of Harbor Freight. Well, actually not really kicked out, but pretty much they told me to leave. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. As you can see, I'm walking into the store here. It's one of the smaller Harbor Freights in the Phoenix area. I'm usually not on this side of town, so maybe they're not used to people walking in, you know. Mostly it's older folks that are walking in this store. Walking in just like a normal day with my phone in my hand. Pretty much looking for the sales and all that stuff to make a video for you guys. And as soon as I get to the end there, the manager keeps following me around, and this is what happened. Oh, no, just looking around.
Can't have anybody recording in the store, man. Sorry.
And so that's what happened. He basically told me in a nice way. I gotta say, he did tell me in a nice way to please stop recording. Not allowed to record on his store. So that's what I did. I stopped the camera and I stopped recording and I left. So I got nothing against Harbor Freight. I mean, I wasn't really doing anything else, you know, doing anything bad. I was just recording. Maybe they don't want people to know what they have in their stores, I guess. I see it the other way around. The more they see Harbor Freight's products and all kinds of, you know, their stores and everything, people will get more familiar, more confident to go in and get their own item. That's the way I see it. But anyways, just thought I'd share this story with you guys. And I got more videos coming up. I got a parking lot sale. I don't know if I'll be uploading a parking lot sale before this or after this video, so it'll be around today, Friday. So happy Friday for everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Harbor Freight videos, more tour reviews, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.